Trader, PDD, Chinese retailer. This thing dropped huge, okay? And we've traded it for a number of years. But we went short and we bought the 140 put option on this particular trade. Let us tell you what that looks like. How about that, trader? So the 140 puts that we purchased yesterday are right here, the 140. Okay, and you could have purchased them with us. And we got in, we'd already owned them at $35. Today they went up to $44, and we sold out and we took the profits on the put side. This is the big gap down. We're not trying to play the bounce on this one. No, we're looking at other Chinese stocks that are going to follow it, and we're going to get short those and get the same gains just like we did out of PDD. Get with it.